Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got another very exciting video for you guys. Does your hair, with your curly hair, look like this in the morning? So I'm not the only one. Well, this is day 5 in terms of my hair. I haven't washed it for a week or nearly a week and I can't be bothered washing it today, and I've got an event that I need to go to for this afternoon. So I've not changed, I've just done my makeup, and this is what my hair looks like in the morning. So I'm going to see if we can refresh this hair without having to wet it completely. Fingers crossed I can, but if you'd like to see if it works and if you'd like to see how I get it done, keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe though, and leave a comment about some of your tips on how you refresh your hair. For now, let's jump into the video. So the first thing I do is take my hair down, and by the way, this is my hair after I've actually put it in a pineapple and slept on a a satin pillowcase. So yep, it's still frizzy and it's still dry, so I'm hoping we can actually do something about this hair without me having to jump into the shower. So what I'm going to be doing is sectioning my hair, because I want to work with smaller sections, and you can see that's what the hair looks like at the back. And I'll just tie away this top into a simple bun so that we can work with the bottom sections first. I tend to do this in most of the hairstyles or hairstyling things that I do, so you'll be used to seeing me do this. Then I bring these sections forward like this. Then I use a trusty spray bottle, and this is one that I got on Amazon, and it has kind of a misty spray, so shouldn't have done that so close to the camera with the no non-water protectant, but anyway, so I use the spray bottle and I spray the hair quite generously because the hair's looking quite dry and I want to make sure that I can get the moisture back in the hair. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I kind of rub my hands through my hair just to feel whether there's enough moisture through, and if there's not, I spray a little bit more. And this is where then I rake my fingers through the hair to get any of those tangles off, so that the curls, when they do spring back, and hopefully they do, they're not going to look matty and they're going to look defined and formed. So that's what I do. I just rake my fingers through the hair. I'm going to do this side as well, and I'll come back. Okay, so now that both sides are sufficiently damp, so it's not saturated, it's just damp. So the reason why I don't like to get it too saturated is because it's just going to take so much longer to dry, really, but enough so that all of the follicles of hair are wet, because that's how you get your curls to come back. Then what I'm going to use is the styling cream by Curl Keeper, and this is the Thames textured hair styling cream. So I did use this on my wash day, so I'm just going to use the same product to refresh my hair. When I refresh my hair, I like to use this or keep it consistent with the products that I've used during my wash day. So because it's day 5 and probably already has quite a bit of product in it, I'm just going to use about that much for that section of the hair. But I like to add a little bit of water to emulsify, just because I like to apply it through my hair and it not get stuck in certain sections. So once I emulsify it, it's quite thin and it looks like that. So, and it's got a kind of a, I don't know, like a sweet smell. But it's not all vanilla, so yeah, it's quite nice. So I kind of rake it through and I spray hands through to smooth down any frizzes, and I also pay attention to the ends. Now this is then when I scrunch. So then I just take the bottom of my hair, I'll go back a little bit, bottom of my hair like this, and scrunch up. So far the curls seem to be coming back But remember, this is just a styling cream, so it's not going to hold that curl pattern. So I'll tell you what I do to hold that in a second. So I'll do the same on this side and then I'll come back. So guys, the bottom section is all done. Just stand back so you can see it. It is curling nicely, so that's a good thing, fingers crossed. So now what I do for this section to hold that curl is to use the gel. So the gel I'm going to be using is the Curl Keeper gel. So this one is also the gel that I used on wash day, and it is a very, very runny gel. So I like to apply a little bit, and it's almost like water, like it's so clear you can't even see it. And then I rake that through the hair as well. Now you don't have to rake it through, you can just use the praying methods if you'd like, on that side, and then scrunch. And that scrunching helps because it helps with the curl formation and the hold. So I'm going to do the same thing to these sections of the hair. So I just took the top section, split it into, and this is almost like the middle part of the top section. See how dry that is? This is what happens day 5 when you don't wash your hair. So I'll do it on this side. So I'll spray it, use the cream, and then follow it up with the gel. And then I like to end with a little bit more gel all around the hair. So not a lot, just about, I don't even know how small that size is, but quite small. I kind of use it to flatten the outside, flip my hair to the side like that, and just, it's almost like a final squish. Okay, so all of the products have been applied everywhere. The hair is damp, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get changed into what I'm going to be wearing today, apply some more lipstick, and put on a pair of earrings and let it air dry for a little while, and then I'll come back and diffuse. So this is my hair about 80% dry. So we're getting there. It didn't take me long at all to dry it. And what I might do is just leave it to air dry the rest of it, and then I'll show you the final result at the end. This is the hair, the curls. It came up so soft, so natural. The frizz is not there, big volume. I mean, I can just tie this up and I'll be good to go tomorrow. So day 5 refresh clearly worked with those products. So I'll just come in closer so you can see. That's what the curls are looking like. And yeah, really touchable. Look at that. Look at the curls. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for coming back to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you at the next one. Bye.